indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include parking assist system, heated seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, blind spot monitor, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2016 S60. Downright shameless with the affection it shows for curves. Volvo S60 is waiting for you and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.